Good day, everyone. My name is John Tropicales, and I'll be discussing the banking and financial institution. So, for lesson one, which is the financial system. So, first, let us define what is financial system. So, it consists of individuals like borrowers and lenders, and institutions like banks, stock exchange, and insurance companies actively involved in the fund and asset transfer. So it gives investors the ability to grow their wealth and assets, thus contributing to economic development. So it serves different purposes in an economy, such as working as payment system, providing savings options, bringing liquidity to financial markets, and protecting investors from unexpected financial risk. So next is the money and financial system. So money and financial system are intertwined and cannot be separated. So they are both influencing and affect the whole economy, such as inflation rate, business cycles, and interest rates. So consequently, consumers, investors, savers, and government officials would make a better informed decision if they understood how the financial markets and money supply influence the economy. So I have here a picture showing the participants of a financial system. So it involves individuals like the investors, the lenders, and the firm, and also the government. So let's proceed to the functions of financial system. So first is the payment system. So an efficient payment system allows businesses and merchants to collect money in exchange for their products and services. So payment can be made with cash, checks, credit cards, and even cryptocurrency in certain instances. So next is the savings. So public savings allow individuals and businesses to invest in a range of investment and see them grow over time. So borrowers can use them to fund new project or increase future cash flow. So and investors get a return on investment in return. So next is the liquidity. So the financial market gives investors the ability to reduce the systematic risk by providing liquidity. So it does allow for easy buying and selling of assets when needed. So next is the risk management. So it protects investors from various financial risks through insurances and other types of contracts. So next is the government policy. So the governments attempt to stabilize or regulate an economy by implementing a specific policy to deal with inflation, unemployment, and interest rates. So in any functional economy, economic resources are limited, and with the individual having unlimited wants and desires. So this problem refers to a scarcity. So in one of the significant drivers of an economy, however, it challenged an economy in determining when, where, to whom to distribute its resources. So consequently, it resulted in a financial system structure capable of efficiently allocating economic resources to stimulate growth. Also, it allows participants to benefit by providing a way of making payment, giving participants a way of earning interest in the form of time value to protect them against financial risk or the insurance. So collecting and distributing financial information by government agency. So and governing regulation to maintain stability from a central bank or the government. So So let's move on to the component of financial system. So the first component is the financial institutions. So it acts as an intermediary between lenders and the borrower. So when providing financial service, this includes the bank or the central retail or commercial. Next is the insurance company and investment company and the brokerage firm. So next is the financial market. So this place where the exchange of assets occurs when borrower and lenders such as stocks, bonds, derivatives, and commodities. Financial markets help businesses to grow and expand by allowing investors to contribute capital. So investor invest in a company's stock with the expectation of it's producing a return in the future. So as the business makes a profit, it can be passed on the surplus to investor. Next, next is the financial instruments. So tradable or financial instruments enable individuals to trade within the financial markets. So this can include cash, share of stock, bonds, options, and future. So next is the financial services. So financial services provides investor a way of managing assets and offers protection against systematic risk. So this also ensures individuals have the appropriate amount of capital in the most efficient investments to promote growth. So banks, insurance company, and investment services would be considered as financial services. So last is the currency. So it is a form of payment to exchange products and services and investment and holds value to society. So that's all and thank you for listening.